What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an advanced survey. This survey is going to allow you to opt in your subscribers after the survey, collect information to help personalize their experience, and use that information to segment people for targeting. Ready? Let's check it out. Now, if you guys have watched my previous survey tutorial, we did a basic one where you could set up a survey to collect the information and kind of analyze it. We didn't opt people in, we didn't parse out the data to store it on file, and we didn't create segments. But we're gonna do some really advanced stuff here in this one. So let's create our survey, and then I'll show you how to create those segments based on that information and how to personalize the experience at the same time. On the dashboard, go over to Marketing Tools tab. And then on the Marketing Tools tab, go over to the text survey and click Manage Surveys. So inside the dashboard here, we're gonna go into this survey here that I've already created, and I'll give you a quick rundown on it. All right, let's go ahead and edit this survey. You might be creating one from scratch. Part one, you're gonna give us some information for your reference. You know, what is it gonna be used for, all that stuff. Then select the keyword that you wanna use it to kick off the survey. Should texting the text word kick off your survey? Yes. How many times do you want them to take it? Once. Should the responses be anonymous? No, because we want to parse out the data and associate it with a number, so you don't want it to be anonymous. All right, active status, yes. All right, survey questions. Let's get into the survey questions, okay? Because this is where some things change. The first question here from this survey, thanks for your interest, reply with your full name. Then we're gonna click on advanced options, and we're gonna parse this data to the first name field. All right, only select first name. We'll put the last name in there, don't worry. And then update question. And on the next question here, we're gonna go ahead and personalize this, all right? So after thanks, we're gonna insert the first name merge tag. If you need a full list of merge tags, you guys can also search our Help Center. Just click on the question mark, Help Center, and search personalization. Okay, the article will come up and you can see all the personalization merge tags here. Now let's go back into the question. On the second question, we are going to insert their first name to make it creepy and personalized. Okay, so after thanks, we're gonna insert the merge tag. So first underscore name, squiggly squiggly, and that is the merge tag for first name. All right, so let's just hit update. Oh, before we do, let's hit advanced options because we are asking for email, and let's store the email on the email field and hit update question. Next one, scale of 1 to 10. Advanced options, we're gonna parse this data to a custom field that I created, all right? Now, pause, what's a custom field? You got default fields on SlickText like first name, last name, city, state, zip code, birthday, email, right? We collect all that data, you can store it there. But if you want something custom, like what's the service rating or what's your favorite appetizer, you're gonna have to create that field in your text word settings so that we can store the information in that field. It's custom. We don't automatically set that up for you, all right? So if you need to learn how to do that, go over to the text word settings, watch the video on custom fields. Once you have those custom fields set up, you can then parse the data to that custom field and store it on file. So we're gonna click on service rating, and this is gonna put a 1 through 10 value in that field when they reply. All right, go down to the next question. And here we did a multiple choice, okay? That was for favorite appetizer, and I created a favorite appetizer custom field. All right, so we're gonna hit update there. Now the last part here, section 3, is going to give us the option to not only collect this data and store it on file, but to opt them into text message. Now remember, just because you're doing a text message survey doesn't mean that new person is gonna be put on your list. They do have to give you permission, okay? Just because they're taking a survey doesn't mean they're giving you permission to send them recurring text messaging. So the last option here, we wanna turn this to the yes, and we want to put in an opt-in message. Now, the first message and this message are going to be sent as one fluent message as long as you keep their total collectively below 160. We're going to put a simple opt-in message here for them to reply yes so that they can confirm their subscription and opt into your recurring text messaging list. So we customize this message. Let's hit save and test this out. All right, the number I'm using is 888-111. The text word is going to be BB Grill. I'm going to text BB Grill to that number. All right, that's going to kick off the first survey question. We're going to reply with our full name, and watch on the next message, it says thanks, Bobby. That's where that merge tag, the personalized experience, is starting to kick in now. All right, now we're going to reply with our email address. All right, now it comes back with the service rating question. Reply 1 through 10, we'll say 10. All right, last question, we'll reply A. Doesn't have to be capitalized, I did that on purpose. All right, and then lastly here, do we want to opt into our mobile club? All right, we've taken the survey, you've collected all the data, right? Up until this point, you have collected the data, you're finding out more about your subscribers, but now we're gonna give them the opportunity to receive recurring text messages from you. We're gonna go ahead and reply yes, and then we're gonna get back the auto reply for that text word which confirms our subscription, all right? And there it is. Now we've completed the experience. Now the last part here is we have all this information, now what do we do with it? Well, now you can create segments based on that information. So real quick, let's check it out. Back inside of our account, let's go over to the text words page, and I was running the survey on BB Grill. So let's check out the segments that I've created for BB Grill. And I pre-populated some of these segments, okay? Remember, we asked for a service rating. We also asked for favorite appetizer. So what we can do here, let's do a service rating segment just so you guys see how this works. So get me anybody who has a service rating between or greater than 7. Right? Actually, we'll do 8 because my value was higher than that. Okay, so greater than 8. Well, we have one person. I reply with a 10. Let's hit save. All right, you could also do between, between 8 and 10 if you wanted to group those people separately. So back to our segments. Now that we have these segments created, think about what we can do. If you guys asked for a service rating and you segmented people who replied 7 and below, you could target them with a drip message after they join. And the drip message could be an offer to say, hey, sorry for the bad service, here is a mobile coupon. Or anybody who's higher than that, or let's say even better, get me anybody who likes boneless wings. I want to target just those people because I know they're going to engage if I provide an offer that is more geared towards what their preference is. So that's how you create an advanced survey here at SlickText. This will allow you to personalize the experience and then create segments based on that gathered information. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.